Welcome to Woggle Guides. If your Android phone is running slowly, I'll show you how to clear the app cache on Android, step by step. Let's get straight into it. Now, over time, Android apps store temporary files called cache files. These files are designed to help apps load faster, but eventually they can become outdated or corrupted. In this guide, we'll look at 2 ways to clear out the cache on Android. First, let's look at a method for clearing the cache for a specific app. So you'll see I'm on my Android home screen. First, I'll open the Settings app shown on my Android phone. Once open, I'll then scroll down to the Apps option and tap on that once to select it. You should now see a list of all the installed apps on your phone. We want to tap the app that you want to clear the cache for. For this example, I'll choose Facebook. On the page that opens, I'm going to tap on the Storage or Storage and Cache option, depending on your phone version. You'll see a number of options in this page, including Clear Cache. Now, an important warning here. Make sure you tap on the Clear Cache option and not Clear Storage or Clear Data. Clearing storage can reset the app completely and may sign you out of your account. On tapping Clear Cache, you've now removed the temporary cached files for that app. If the app was freezing or running slowly before, go back and open it up again to see if the issue has now been fixed. Now let's move on to where you want to clear the cache in Google Chrome specifically. This may be necessary if a website you're visiting is not opening as expected. I'll start by opening the Chrome app shown on my homepage. Once that's open, I'm going to tap on the 3 dots or ellipsis icon shown in the top right corner. From the options that are displayed, I'm going to choose History. So this page shows all of your browsing history, and to remove the cached files, we need to delete some of that browsing data. So I'm going to tap on the Delete Browsing Data option at the top of the page. Now we want to make sure that only cached images and files is selected. You can leave the other options unchecked or choose to uncheck them as I'm doing if you only want to clear the cache. Now I'll tap on Delete Data. The Chrome cache has now been cleared. Any issues you were having with loading websites should now be resolved. If clearing the cache didn't fully resolve the problem and an app or Chrome is not performing as expected, there's a few other troubleshooting steps you can take. First, let's try restarting the phone. This is often the quickest way to resolve a misbehaving app. If the problem persists once you've done this, next we'll visit the Play Store. You'll find this on your Android phone. I'm going to search for the app that's been causing me problems. I want to check if an update is available for it. This isn't always automatically applied. You'll see in this case, for the Reddit app, an update is available. So I'll tap on that to apply the update to the app. Once the update's been applied, as before, go back to the app and confirm if it's fixed the problem for you. The final option open to you, and this is really the nuclear option when nothing else works, is to reinstall the app. If you do this, you will need to log back into the app and you may lose any content you've saved on the app to date. So only do this if you've tried all other options. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do take care of yourself until next time.